Welcome back to Crypto Nitro. My name is Finn, and today we're going to take a look at the Pinksale launchpad, something that has been here for a long time. But if you're new to crypto, this could be interesting to you. If you haven't used Pinksale in a long time, this could be interesting for you as well. There are a lot of new functions and a lot of functions in general. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. Let's start with the basics. What is Pinksale? Pinksale is pretty much a launchpad, but has evolved into so much more. What does it mean to be a launchpad? A launchpad is pretty much a website where you as a token creator can go and create your own tokens. Yeah, it's simple as that. Create your own tokens in the term of, hey, you have a cool idea for a crypto project. All you have to do is pretty much put a bit of money into it and promote the token. You can go over here, create a pre-sale, fair launch, or subscription. As well as a social sale. We have so many more options nowadays. It's honestly crazy to me to see how this has evolved over the years. But let's say you want to start with a basic simple pre-sale. All you have to do is go over to Pinksale. You say, hey, I want to create a pre-sale, I want to promote my token, right? I have this idea, let's name it the Crypto Nitro token, right? It's going to be launched on let's for the sake of it put Ethereum. You can obviously select out of all of these token chains here, the EVM chains, pretty much everything, Ethereum, BNB, AVAX, and so on. You have Solana, Eclipse, you have Ton and Sui on here, where you can simply create pre-sales. You can set your own token address or create your very own token. Simple as that. Gonna click on the create a token function here, and here you can already see kind of functions, the standard token, liquidity generator token, a baby token, a buyback baby token, and all you have to do is put in the name. You can put in the symbol, then the decimals, I would leave it at 18. That's what I always have been told. And the total supply, the pink anti-bot system could be very helpful as well. You can find all the info about it on Pinksale as well. And then all you have to do is press create token. It costs a bit of money to create tokens with Pinksale and run the pre-sale then. But I think for token creators, a very nice platform. Besides the normal pre-sale, we have the fair launch option as well that we all know, the subscription option as well, and we even have the social sale, which I would need to connect Solana wallet right now. The overflow pre-sale, and now that's something very new as well. And the thing is with Pinksale, you have the fee options of the 5%. The ETH raised, or in this case BUSDs or BNB, and that is how pretty much Pinksale kind of runs itself and pays itself, and you just pretty much pay for the creation of the token or the pre-sale once, and it's therefore more on the cheaper side. And then once it's finished, pretty much pre-sale, the Pinksale platform is going to take a small cut of it. You also have the options now for PinkMeme, which is a new platform or a new system that they included in Pinksale, similar to the Pump Fund platform. So where you can really easily and really fast create a new token. It's relatively similar to the pre-sale pages. It's even quicker than that. The token is live right from the beginning. People trade it, and once a certain amount of liquidity and money is reached, the token is then migrated to the official chain, pretty much. So the aggregator in this term is Pinksale until the token reaches a certain market cap, and then it migrates to the official pretty much PancakeSwap, Uniswap pools, or for Solana, then the Solana pools, so Radium, and what was the other one called? I'm missing the name right now. But you also have the option to create stealth, and obviously the token list of the tokens that are live as of right now. And you also have the options for KYC audit and so on. You find all the infos as well in the official docs. If we now go on the end of, you're not creating a token, but you're looking for tokens to buy for projects, you're on the hunt for something new, Pinksale is obviously the place to be. I mean, I just explained how people create their tokens. So now let's talk about how you as an investor can find good tokens. So you have the trending tokens pretty much up here. Those are tokens that are being looked at a lot in the recent minutes. And you can see number one, Nora is trending number one right now. The pre-sale is running for another 5 days, so you can find the timer up here. You can see how much has been raised so far. It has been 140 ETH, which is $400,000. They just set a soft cap of 3 Ethereum on $9,000. And all you have to do if you want to contribute is, connect your wallet, and then you can put in, let's say, 1 ETH. You press on here on buy, the transaction will pop up. You have to confirm with a MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using, and then it's all done. If you bought into a pre-sale, fair launch, whatever you're buying into, then by the way, this is a fair launch here, right? Because we can see there's no hard cap set, and obviously it says fair launch here. Normally with a pre-sale, once a certain hard cap is reached, the sale ends automatically. So if they would have said, okay, we do a 3 Ethereum soft cap, so that's the minimum they want to reach, and a 10 Ethereum hard cap, for example, once they would have reached 10 Ethereum, the pre-sale would have ended, and they could have went live with the token. For the fair launch, there's pretty much an open end. So until the pre-sale ends in 5 days, there can be investments made into this. Like I said, all you have to do, press on here, put in the number of Ethereum or BNB, whatever chain you're using, right? You want to buy with. And you have the option as well, would be important to note as well, to do like an emergency withdrawal. I think they take 20% of what you bought as a fee. So if you put in 1 ETH, you will get back 0.8 ETH. So that is if something would happen, right? You need the money quickly, you can withdraw it. It's not locked into that, but that is only available until the pre-sale ends. So keep that in mind. Another cool thing to look for is here, you can see the fire emoji in number one. This meaning it's trending on number one. And this is the badge area. They also have the audit and KYC badge, meaning they have done an audit of their contract, and you can take a look at it as well. You can see here the solid proof dashboard. They did the audit for them. Therefore, they got the audit badge, meaning, hey, the contract is audited, it's safe, all good. And KYC meaning that the creators behind the token are known. They've put their documents, official documents with Pinksale. So if anything would go south, they would scam their investors or something, those documents would be made publicly available. Speaking about publicly, another good thing to look at is over here. You can see the status, the sales live, the sale type, meaning public. That means everybody can invest. There's also pre-sales and fair launches where they are whitelisted. So you would need a whitelist spot for your wallet. You most of the time get these in the Telegram groups of the projects for certain things you can do if you're very active, or you can simply just ask, they add you to a whitelist that will be normally found at the bottom, and then only people that are whitelisted can invest. Sometimes you have whitelisted and public, meaning that whitelisted people get the first hour, and after that the pre-sale turns public and everybody can invest. And but that's just for information. So the current rate, as this is a fair launch, we have the current rate. 1 ETH equals 15.6 million euro right now. The current raised 4,678%, and we can see the total numbers of contributors as well. We can find a bit about the project out here. You see the you can find a video most of the times as well. Down here, bit more token information, the symbol, total supply, and so on and so on. The initial market cap right now at around $1.8 million, and this will probably raise with more people contributing to it. You can see the contributors here, all publicly available. or the information which wallet contributed how much. And then we have an affiliate program and a lot of these pre-sales. So if you would go and send this link to your friends and they will buy the token or into the pre-sale through this link, you will get a cut of that. You can see some persons are really generating a good amount of money with that. This person, for example, has referred 28 ETH and therefore is getting 2.2 ETH for doing so. So pretty cool to see as well. We have the simple tokenomics here as well. See how the token is being distributed pretty much, and as well log information, cycle informations. Down here as well, comment section, a lot of the times you can find a BlockSeifu audit, which is a very simple and quick audit automatically done by BlockSeifu for each token created this way. And that's pretty much it. As simple as that. The Pinksale platform is very, very simple to get into. They have so many more things that you can do with this platform. We have a leaderboard, profit leaderboards, anti-board, buy crypto fiat, multi-sender, all these tools that are interesting for token creators. I mean, the leaderboard is probably interesting for everybody in general. So here we can see pretty much the top tokens created that week, and what they've been raised. So they raised, for example, 1,300 SOL, if I see this here correctly, which is an amazing number. Congrats on that. And $220,000, which is crazy. And we have a profit leaderboard. I don't know if how this exactly works, to be honest. You can see the top traders here, but how that is exactly estimated, I don't really know. So but you can get into that. Multi-sender, pretty much you can send tokens to multiple wallets all at once. And here you have some more information. So you have a shop, you have the documents to find out all about it, all about Pinksale and the social links and the themes. And I don't even know why I'm in light mode. Man, dark mode is so much better. But I haven't used Pinksale in some time as well, to be honest. So to see all these new functions, pretty amazing. I will get into it a bit more after this video, I think. Do some token hunting on here back again. Actually, the Neura one we just looked at a few minutes ago looked pretty cool. I think some kind of wallet. But we're not here to talk about Neura, here to talk about Pinksale. All I can say is a big thank you to you guys for watching taking a look at it. Make sure to check out Pinksale for yourself. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye bye.